Drones can be a hazard to other aircraft. That's why aviation rules say drones must stay away from anywhere aircraft are taking off and landing. That means at least 4 kilometres from any airport, including helipads for hospitals or sightseeing operations. But be aware that controlled airspace around airports can go well beyond those 4 kilometres. You may be able to fly a drone in controlled airspace. Just ask Air Traffic Control for clearance. That's done by simply going online and logging your intended flight details well ahead of time. Also, keep away from any special use airspace without permission. That's places like military operating areas, restricted areas or low flying zones. Again, if you're not sure, check the map. And wherever you are, if you see another aircraft, land immediately. Know the no-fly zones when flying your drone. That's how you fly the right way.